Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sean, or Mustang09, and today we are talking about the truck. It's in dire straits. It's filthy. It's just, look at that. That's gross. Thanks, dude. Anyways, the truck's dirty, but something that has been suggested, I don't even know how many times on my videos. I've wanted to do it. I've talked about trying to do it, and that is blacking out the truck a little more, starting with the grill. The only chrome pieces we have left are the mirror caps and the handles. Other than that, the bumpers have been blacked out and we're looking good there. The headlights have been changed out. Obviously, they're Morimotos. They're kind of filthy right now, but all that's going to change. Not all that. Some of that's going to change thanks to an early Christmas gift from my friends over at Morimoto. They sent out this big old box right here, which, as you can tell on the front, is a grill. Is an XBG LED grill for a 2017 to 2019 Ford Super Duty, which I happen to have right there. And we are going to get this thing unboxed, show it to you, kind of explain it, lay out what it does and what it is, and then I'll tell you the future plans with it. So, unboxing. I know, the Mustang's on jack stands, but the Mustang is put back together. Didn't figure out the electrical that I thought I would by taking the alternator off. We'll go into that more, but it is running. It's ready to drive. I just haven't lowered it off the jack stands yet. Yes, sir. This thing is sick. All right, guys, so this is the new Morimoto XBG LED grill. As you can see here, there are lights built into the grill, so it's gonna give it a really cool effect when it's on the front of the truck. It's gonna line up with the Morimoto lights. It's gonna match the color of the Morimoto lights, which I'm excited about. I should have cleaned this thing. Sorry, it's cold out. We have beautiful views. There you go. So it is beautiful. The lake's starting to freeze up, but I digress. So, as stated before, this is a new grill that Morimoto provides you with the lights built in. So it makes it super simple to install. Comes with the wiring harness. Everything's plug and play as usual with Morimoto. They make great stuff, man. I have Morimoto headlights on my truck. I've got them on my Mustang, got them on the 4Runner. I've put them on my dad's truck. My neighbor down the street's got them now, and they have run flawlessly. So super excited with Morimoto. I can't wait to get this thing. I think it needs to be painted. This looks painted, but I don't think it's the same color as the truck. I think this is just how the painted version comes. So I need to check on that and see, because it looks really nice, to be honest with you. But I'm gonna double check on that. I've got a quote to get it painted and get it dropped off, and they said they can turn it around pretty quick to me. But other than that, man, I can't wait. This is gonna look so good. Let me go get my wife. Actually, I don't need her. I don't need her right now. I have a tripod. Put you on the tripod. We'll hold it up to the truck and see how it looks. Dude, check it out. Oh yeah, that's gonna look so good. We're gonna see. Man, it'd be cool to get that emblem painted too. That way it's all black up front. We'll have to see. That's my paint guy. I'm really excited about it. Thank you, Morimoto, for sending this out. They sponsored this video, so once again, you can follow them down in the description below. And I'll leave a link to this grill so that you guys can purchase it for yourself. You can also use the code Mustang. I believe that's what it is. I've said this 100 times and I always forget, but I think it's just Mustang, and it should get you free shipping, I believe. So we'll put that down in the description as well. Since this is just the unboxing video, I haven't installed this grill in particular, but looking at the back side of it, it looks the same as the factory grill. The only addition would obviously be the plugs, and I'm sure that taps into a fuse box somewhere along the way. Other than that, it looks very straightforward. So if you've seen my videos of me installing these headlights or the LED bulbs before, I've taught you all and showed you all how to remove this grill. But when the install comes, obviously, we'll review that once again. We're on a countdown towards the end of the year. Christmas is like less than a week away. So I want to get this thing into the paint booth as soon as possible before they close down for the holidays. I do have a good paint guy locally, so thank goodness for that. He helped me out with the bumpers when I got in that accident and bought these ones. They were the wrong color, so he got them paint matched for me, and they look great. He has changed location, so he's a little further away, but no big deal. I'm willing to drive. This guy treats us well. So excited, excited, excited. It's very much so an understatement. I've been debating on what to do with this grill for a long time. Get it painted, which I didn't want to do because if it rock chips, then the chrome will show underneath, or get it vinyl wrapped. That was just as expensive as paint, and so I was kind of hesitant. And then Morimoto reached out and said, hey man, we got a new product coming to the market. You want to be the first one to put it on? And I was like, yeah, dude. So they sent it out. It's been sitting in my living room for a couple of days now. I've been meaning to make this video, but I've been busy traveling with work and stuff like that, getting ready for Christmas. I got to buy presents too for my family. So excuses, excuses. Now it's time to get this thing to the paint booth, get it dropped off, and then I'll bring you guys the install video. So if you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. Like I said, I'll link this down below along with my discount code or my free shipping code, whichever it offers, and we can go on from there. So thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.